Are you looking for a bookkeeper who can take care of your bookkeeping, payroll, bank reconciliation, and all other accounting needs, and that too at a very cost effective rate? Hi, this is Harnish here. I'm a chartered accountant by profession and a co founder at Meru Accounting. We are a team of 180 plus members and providing complete bookkeeping, accounting, and tax return solutions for various business owners based in Australia. We provide end to end bookkeeping solutions right from setting up of books of accounts, chart of accounts, setting up bank feeds, setting up class tracking, setting up bank rules, and setting up various customized reports like income statement, balance sheet, as well as your business activity statements on quarterly basis. We provide a great solution for various business owners working in various industries. We have systems and work methodologies in place. We have got an immense experience working with all the software like QuickBooks, Xero, MYOB, Odoo, as well as SASU software in Australia. We can connect for Xerox or any other accounting software ATO so that we can fill your business activity statements and payroll on time. We have been working with lots of add-ons who are using Xero or QuickBooks. Basically, we use uh, like their Stripe, Shopify, and various other payment gateways. We have been serving lots of e-commerce based businesses who sells the items on Amazon or Etsy or say eBay, and have helped them in organizing their financials. We can do payables processing using various software tools like Xero Expenses, HubDoc, which comes free with Xero, Auto Entry, Data Molino, or Bill.com. We have been serving various industries all across Australia, including real estate, advertising, lawyers, doctors, logistics, Amazon sellers, pharmaceutical industries, retail outlets, wholesale business, online business, mining industry, manufacturing industry. We have got a very streamlined process to ensure that you get a very great experience as far as bookkeeping is concerned. We request all the information on cloud, either it's Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox, whatever is convenient for you, or any such similar software. You can give us all the information over there. Once information is received, we will be processing that in the accounting software of your choice. We would be giving you regular work updates and monthly management reports for your company. Basically, we work for proprietors as well as PTY limited companies as well as trust. At the end of a year, we will be providing you a complete support to liaise with your accountant in case you are having your own accountant to file the tax returns. We are also associated with the CA Australia to file the tax return. In that service, we can give you one-stop solution for your bookkeeping and tax return needs. On regular basis, we're giving you work updates through our emailing system so that you stay on top of what is happening in accounting department. We use a very good project management system. We understand your business and keep that information permanent in our system. Once the business is understood, we create the list of recurring tasks which needs to be done, such as requesting bank statements from you, coding the transactions, doing bank reconciliation, preparing monthly management reports, preparing quarterly or monthly business activity statements, preparing tax return at the end of a year, doing monthly or bi-weekly payroll for you, submitting that to the ATO, and what so. Basically, we have got a great checklist for each and every task. There are a lot of benefits working with us. One is that our pricing is very competitive. Our basic bookkeeping package starts from just 125 Australian dollars per month. We would be designing the chart of accounts based upon your business requirements. We'll be giving you a very detailed level management report. We'll make sure that you get the best benefit out of all the decisions which are available as per the Australian tax laws. Can help you budget and forecasting as well. We can use various good applications like FlowTap and other softwares for doing budgeting and forecasting and comparing that with the current data. We can implement profit first concept. We have invested a lot in data security. Covered by an professional indemnity insurance. We also sign a non-disclosure agreement on stamp paper with our employees, and most of our all our softwares are having dual step authentication system. The person working would be having a very limited access to the client folders, so they will only get an access to the client folders on which they are working. So each and every folder is not shared with everyone across the organization. We have got an endpoint security systems and file systems to ensure that your data remains secured. You can check our testimonials all across the globe on Trustpilot. We are rated 4.7 on Trustpilot out of 80 or more reviews. You can see we are top rated on Clutch, 5 out of 5 out of total 10 reviews. Each and every business we would be having two people working, basically one as a senior accounts officer and second would be a reviewer. Senior accounts officer would be coordinating regularly with you, and reviewer would be mostly reviewing the things and would act as a backup person in case if senior accounts officer is not available due to any personal reasons. That ensures that we deliver the services very seamlessly and regularly. Over and above that, we have a system of keeping one project coordinator which ensures that all the tasks are completed